Welcome back to DECOLOVA, where every home tells a story stitched together with color, texture, and warmth. Today, we are stepping into a bright English farmhouse filled with fresh green and cheerful yellow accents that feel like spring captured inside a cottage window. From charming floral arrangements to rustic wooden details, this home carries the gentle rhythm of countryside living. Every corner feels soft and inviting, like a slow morning wrapped in sunlight and birdsong drifting through open windows. Prepare yourself for a home tour blooming with comfort, elegance, and timeless cottage charm. The exterior of this farmhouse immediately creates a welcoming atmosphere with its creamy white walls, sage green shutters, and soft yellow flower pots lining the entrance steps. Vintage-style lanterns hang beside the wooden front door, while climbing ivy gently frames the windows like nature's own decoration. A small wooden bench with floral cushions adds an effortless countryside character that feels both elegant and relaxed. The fresh green tones blend beautifully with the bright yellow accents, creating an entrance that feels alive and joyful without becoming overwhelming. It is the kind of porch that invites guests to stay a little longer. Inside the living room, the cottage charm becomes even more enchanting. Soft linen sofas dressed with green and yellow patterned pillows create a fresh and airy feeling throughout the space. The rustic wooden coffee table at the center adds warmth and texture, balancing the playful floral decorations scattered across the room. Delicate curtains allow natural sunlight to pour through the windows, making every surface glow softly during the day. Vintage frames, woven baskets, and layered fabrics give the room personality without clutter. The entire space feels like a peaceful countryside retreat painted with the colors of fresh lemons and garden leaves. The kitchen carries the true heart of this English farmhouse style. Cream-colored cabinets pair beautifully with muted green walls, while yellow ceramic dishes displayed on open wooden shelves bring vibrant personality into the room. Copper cookware hanging above the rustic island creates a timeless farmhouse atmosphere that feels authentic and lived in. Fresh herbs placed near the windows add natural fragrance and a lively touch of greenery. The wooden dining table becomes the centerpiece where family conversations and warm tea gatherings naturally belong. Every detail in this kitchen celebrates simplicity, comfort, and the beauty of everyday cottage living. The dining space feels as if a spring garden quietly wandered indoors. A large farmhouse table surrounded by mismatched vintage chairs creates a relaxed and charming atmosphere full of personality. Soft yellow table runners paired with eucalyptus green napkins add freshness without losing the rustic character of the room. Wildflowers arranged in ceramic pitchers become natural centerpieces that brighten the entire dining area effortlessly. The subtle textures of wood, linen, and aged metal blend together beautifully, creating a warm environment perfect for slow breakfasts and candlelit dinners. This space transforms ordinary meals into gentle countryside experiences filled with comfort. Moving into the bedroom, the atmosphere becomes calmer and more delicate. Soft green bedding layered with pale yellow knitted throws creates a peaceful color palette inspired by nature itself. Vintage wooden furniture with lightly distressed finishes gives the room an authentic farmhouse personality that feels collected over generations. Floral wallpaper behind the bed introduces subtle charm without overpowering the space. Small decorative touches such as dried flowers, antique books, and woven baskets help create a deeply comforting environment. The bedroom feels like a quiet countryside sanctuary where every detail encourages rest, warmth, and peaceful morning routines. Even the bathroom continues the cottage story with remarkable beauty and balance. White subway tiles combined with soft green painted walls create a clean yet cozy atmosphere that feels timeless. Yellow hand towels and fresh flowers placed beside the sink add cheerful brightness without disturbing the calm mood of the space. Vintage brass fixtures introduce subtle elegance while maintaining the farmhouse aesthetic. Wooden shelves filled with rolled linen towels and handmade soaps provide both texture and warmth. Every element feels thoughtfully arranged, transforming this bathroom into more than a practical space. It becomes a refreshing retreat inspired by nature and simplicity. One of the most captivating features of this farmhouse is the way natural materials shape the entire atmosphere of the home. Weathered wood, woven wicker, soft linen fabrics, and ceramic decorations work together like a carefully arranged countryside symphony. The fresh green and yellow palette feels even richer when paired with these earthy textures. Layered rugs soften the wooden floors, while handmade pottery and vintage accessories add soul to every room. Instead of feeling overly polished, the home embraces gentle imperfections that make it feel warm and genuine. This balance between elegance and rustic comfort gives the cottage its unforgettable character. Tucked beside a sunlit window sits a reading corner that feels like a tiny pocket of countryside magic. A comfortable armchair dressed in soft green fabric rests beside a weathered wooden side table, creating the perfect place for quiet moments and warm cups of tea. Bright yellow cushions introduce cheerful energy into the space, while small floral patterns whisper subtle cottage charm. A woven basket filled with books and cozy blankets adds both function and personality. The entire nook feels designed for slow afternoons where time drifts gently, pages turn softly, and sunlight dances across wooden floors like golden ribbons. One of the secrets behind this English farmhouse beauty is how every decorative element feels gathered through years of stories and memories. Nothing appears overly staged or perfectly matched. Vintage clocks, ceramic pitchers, antique mirrors, and delicate botanical artwork create a home filled with character. Small imperfections become part of the design language itself. A slightly aged wooden frame or a weathered vase carries more emotional warmth than brand new decorations ever could. The fresh green and yellow palette acts like a thread stitching these treasures together, allowing every room to feel layered, authentic, and naturally welcoming. Flowers become quiet storytellers throughout this charming farmhouse. Soft yellow daisies, fresh greenery, and wild garden blooms appear in nearly every corner of the home. Small bouquets rest on kitchen counters, bedside tables, and dining spaces, creating a sense of movement and life. Instead of grand arrangements, the floral styling remains simple and effortless, almost as if someone had just gathered flowers during a countryside walk. These natural touches strengthen the farmhouse atmosphere while introducing freshness into every room. The result feels wonderfully organic, transforming everyday spaces into living paintings filled with softness and color. This home beautifully blurs the line between indoor comfort and outdoor beauty. Large windows allow views of greenery to become part of the interior design itself. Potted herbs, leafy plants, and small olive trees quietly decorate corners without demanding attention. Fresh green tones spread naturally through plants rather than relying entirely on decorative objects. The effect feels calming and deeply refreshing. Walking through this farmhouse feels like wandering through a garden wearing walls and a roof. Nature becomes part of the home's heartbeat, creating a peaceful atmosphere that never feels distant from the outdoors. English farmhouse design has a special ability to create elegance without formality, and this cottage captures that feeling beautifully. Decorative moldings, wooden beams, vintage-inspired hardware, and classic furniture silhouettes all contribute to the home's timeless identity. Rather than following fast-moving trends, the design embraces elements that feel enduring and comforting. Fresh green and bright yellow accents simply breathe new life into these classic details. Together they create an atmosphere that feels joyful and familiar. It is a design approach that celebrates warmth, tradition, and beauty without becoming heavy or overly complicated. As promised, we saved lighting for the final design chapter because lighting acts like the final brushstroke on a beautiful painting. Soft pendant lamps with vintage finishes hang gracefully above dining and kitchen spaces, while warm table lamps create intimate corners throughout the home. Natural daylight remains the true star during the day, flooding every room with softness and warmth. During evening hours, layered lighting transforms the farmhouse into a glowing countryside sanctuary. Instead of harsh brightness, the home embraces gentle illumination that wraps every texture, color, and decorative detail in a golden atmosphere full of comfort. As our journey through this fresh green and yellow cottage charm comes to an end, we hope this beautiful English farmhouse has filled your imagination with warmth and inspiration. This home proves that color does not need to shout to make a lasting impression. Through gentle greens, cheerful yellows, rustic textures, and thoughtful details, every room creates a feeling of joy and peaceful living. Thank you for joining DECOLOVA on today's home tour. If you enjoyed exploring this bright countryside escape, do not forget to like, subscribe, and continue discovering more beautiful spaces where comfort and creativity bloom together.